Before the opening bell, U.S. futures little change after they rallied even further yesterday, pushing the Dow to close above the key 30,000 level for the very first time ever. Investors were encouraged by news reports that a formal transition for Joe Biden's potential administration has begun and that Biden would appoint former Fed Chair Janet Yellen as his would-be Treasury Secretary. This all as 81% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday now after the markets closed. HP in the headlines as printers and printer supplies jumped after hours after disclosing fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 62 cents, beating forecast up from 60 cents a year ago on net revenue of 15.3 billion US dollars. And IBM also in the headlines as it plans to cut about 10,000 jobs in Europe, this according to a report from Bloomberg. And then there's Deere & Company reporting fourth quarter sales down 0.5% to $8.66 billion, beating expectations. EPS was up to $2.39 from $2.27 a year ago. Taking a look at today's action, there's no major earnings expected, but on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have the release of the NBA 30-year mortgage rate. 8:30 in the morning, the release of jobless claims, both initial and continuing, the U.S. trade balance, wholesale inventories, and durable goods orders as well. And then after the bell, we have the release of the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, new home sales figures, personal spending, personal income, and we end the day in the afternoon with the FOMC minutes due out. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where I begin. That sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus. Intraday technical indicators mixed. Long positions above 36.20 are favored with targets at 36.55 and 36.68 in extension. This while the Nasdaq intraday sees a period of caution, and the Dow Jones sees caution as well.